sudden. See? All of a sudden. There's what. Who knows? Why? Alright! My name is DeKrYpTr, aka Chava. And I'm here interviewing my sweet and loving wife, Chantal. She looks like more amazing than my dreams. I can't even lie. I love your outfits. I love my Valentine's. Okay? Just want to tell you. You look amazing. Okay?
I hate your hair.
You do, huh? Okay. I'll do something about that. Just real quick.
I'm sorry, I just realized that right now.
No, we can fix that. Okay.
I was loving you. I was like, ooh, her needs to. You need to take it to a barber.
Yeah.
As it grows.
Alright, my baby.
I love you so much.
I love you too. You and me are gonna do a little interview, a little something.
Shit, okay.
What's going on?
I'm cool.
I'm so sorry.
Got it.
Trying to get some theme music going for us.
I'm with it.
And now, welcoming MaDaMX from the famous band MX and the D. Let's welcome one half MaDaMX. Alright, we're right here with
MaDaM. Can you hand me my goddamn beer?
Yes, we can, MaDaM.
Alright, cool.
I'm here with MaDaM. MaDaM, I must ask you, right off the bat, I'm coming right at you, straightforward. What was your inspiration for EpiPen? I just want to know. I just want to know what you know, the song is so impactful with the now times, you know? With the running and the jumping and the punk feel of the song. What was your inspiration for writing those lyrics? Which they're so profound at this point.
Need to get the fuck out.
Go on, tell me more.
I guess the core was the panic of today's society.
I feel that in the song.
The fact that as disease and bombs and nuclear release, the perpetual decay of what is the natural concept of a broken society will succumb to.
And I think we all feel that right now, which is why EpiPen speaks to us so deeply,
and the
MaDaM.
fact where metaphorically at the end of the day you just want to fucking, you want somebody to tell you to just fucking run, and in the end you almost wanted to be the answer. And because...
But is it really the answer? Can I ask you
No,
this?
because at the end of the day, that's the only thing you got left, because that's the problem, is everyone's realized what they become within society's terms. And
cowards?
I think society within the system itself.
Running from the real, from the real truth.
Now they're running like a bunch of cowards and not
from the real.
facing, and that's all you can do at the end of the day, but will you ever escape it? The fallacy is the running, because at the end of the day, no matter how much Johnny runs, he needs to see what we have become. And you can run all you want.
But you're only... Go on.
No, you...
But you're only running in a circle, aren't you? Brilliant. Brilliant words right here from MaDaMX right here. You heard it here exclusively on the pod. First ever cast of it.
So
Yes. And we will cut that out of the edit of our live press. And we will be back here once the album is complete. What is your expected date for this album? For this brand new album?
Jamaica, man.
Oh, excellent, excellent. And we can expect this album in Jamaica within the next month. So look out for that. This is MX, the MX and this is the DeKrYpTr coming at you live. Mofos.
Abra. Cadabra.